Let's solve this problem together. How can we put this problem into a number bond? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we should put 496 in one of the parts and 834 in the whole. That means we're missing a part. How did you know that we're missing a part? Say it out loud. I bet you said that you know that we're missing a part because in an addition sentence, we add the parts together to get the whole. But our first part is missing. That means a part is missing from this number sentence. Nice work. Now let's solve the problem. How can we solve using flat sticks and dots? Say it out loud. I bet you said that first we should draw 8 flats to represent the 800s in 834. Then I bet you said we should draw 3 sticks to represent the 3 tens in 834. And then I bet you said we should draw 4 dots because there are 4 ones in 834. What do we need to do next? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we need to subtract starting in the ones place. How many ones do we need to subtract? Right, 6 ones. What do we have to do and why? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we need to regroup 110 into 10 ones by crossing off a stick, drawing an arrow, and drawing 10 new ones. And we had to do this because we didn't have enough ones to subtract. Now let's subtract our 6 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice work. How many ones are left? Right, 8. Now let's subtract our 10s. What do we need to do and why? Say it out loud. I bet you said we need to regroup 100 into 10 tens because we don't have enough tens to subtract 9 tens. Let's do it. Now let's subtract 9 tens. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many tens are left? I bet you said 3. And what is the value of those tens? Right, 30. Now let's subtract our hundreds. How many hundreds do we need to subtract? I bet you said 4 hundreds. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hundreds are left? Right, 3 hundreds. And what is the value of those hundreds? Right, 300. So our missing part is 338. Nice work solving that problem. Now we need to explain how we solved. First, we need to name our strategy. What sentence should I write? I bet you said, I solved using flats, sticks, and dots. Now we need to tell the math idea that helped us solve the problem or prove that our answer is correct. What should I write first? I bet you said we should write, first, I drew 8 flats, 3 sticks, and 4 dots to represent 834. Now what should we write? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we should write next. I regrouped 110 into 10 ones so that I had enough ones to subtract 6 ones. Now what should we write? Say it out loud. I bet you said, then I regrouped 100 into 10 tens so that I had enough to subtract 9 tenths. Now what should we write? I bet you said we should write, finally, I subtracted 4 hundredths and counted what was left. And I got the answer. 338. Now we need to use numbers to prove we are right. What sentence should I write to finish our statement? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should write, this proves 834 minus 496 equals 338. Nice work solving with flat sticks and dots, and writing to explain our work.